Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been making waves in the AI community, Chinese language models. You've probably heard of GPT-4 and Claude, but what about DeepSeek-V3 and Qwen 2.5? These models are pushing boundaries, and I've spent countless hours testing them to bring you the most comprehensive comparison yet. Before we dive in, let me tell you, what I discovered completely changed my perspective on the global AI race. So, grab your favorite beverage because this is going to be fascinating. Let's kick things off with reasoning capabilities. I threw complex analytical problems at both models, and the results were fascinating. DeepSeek-V3 approached problems like a professor writing a dissertation, incredibly detailed, but sometimes getting lost in its own expertise. I've got some examples to show you. Reasoning. Look at this response from DeepSeek-V3. Notice how it breaks down every single aspect of the problem. It's impressive, but watch what happens when we give the same problem to Qwen 2.5. Qwen 2.5 tackled these challenges like a seasoned consultant, straight to the point, structured, and remarkably clear. This clarity earned Qwen 2.5 its first victory in our comparison. Image analysis. Now, this is where things get really interesting. I tested both models with various images, from simple objects to complex scenes. DeepSeek-V3 struggled here. It was like watching someone try to describe a painting in the dark. But Qwen 2.5? It was like having a professional art critic by your side. Shows example images and responses. Watch this. I showed both models this complex image. DeepSeek-V3 couldn't process it effectively, but look at Qwen 2.5's response. Not only did it identify key elements, but it also made intelligent predictions about context and relationships within the image. Content creation. The content creation test revealed some fascinating specializations. DeepSeek-V3 showed its business acumen, producing content that would make any data analyst proud. Let me show you some examples. Look at how DeepSeek-V3 structures this market analysis. The attention to detail in the data presentation is remarkable. But now, watch what Qwen 2.5 does with the same brief. Qwen 2.5 took a different approach, crafting narratives that could engage any audience. It's like comparing a business report to a compelling story, both valuable but serving different purposes. Coding. The coding round brought out the best in both models. DeepSeek-V3 wrote code like a seasoned software architect, implementing advanced features and robust error handling. Meanwhile, Qwen 2.5 focused on readability and maintainability. Let's analyze this code snippet from DeepSeek-V3. Notice the sophisticated implementation. Now, compare it to Qwen 2.5 solution. See how it achieves the same result with cleaner, more accessible codes. What makes these results particularly interesting is how they reflect different AI development philosophies. DeepSeek-V3 excels in scenarios requiring deep analytical thinking and structured output. It's like having a brilliant but verbose professor on your team. Qwen 2.5, our overall winner, shows remarkable versatility. Its ability to balance complexity with clarity makes it more accessible for various applications. But here's the crucial question. Does this make it better than Western models like GPT-4 or Claude? The reality is, these Chinese models aren't just catching up. They're bringing unique strengths to the table. DeepSeek-V3's analytical prowess and Qwen 2.5's versatility demonstrate how the AI landscape is becoming increasingly diverse and competitive. After all our testing, Qwen 2.5 emerged victorious, with 4 points to DeepSeek's 2. But numbers don't tell the whole story. Both models showed capabilities that could make them serious contenders in the global AI arena. The question isn't just whether these models can compete with GPT-4 or Claude. It's about how they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI. They're not just alternatives, they're innovations in their own right. What do you think about these results? Would you consider using Chinese AI models in your projects? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this deep dive valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI content. Thanks for joining me on this AI exploration journey. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of technology.